Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can create a date table in Power BI. So let's say you're working with lots of date columns in your table and you can create a single date table which you can use to sort. In doing this, I'll be using a DAX formula. So we'll go to modeling and then I would name the table date table, right? And this would help us sort based on day, week, month, instead of creating sub-columns for these other terms, right? So I'll be using the function add column, open bracket, calendar function, date. Now I'll set the period that I want. In this case, I'm using 2021, 1st January 2021, depending on the data that you're working with. So you can pick the start period and the end period. So in the end period here, I'm using 2030, December 31st. Okay, so you pick your start period and your end period. Then I follow my year, date, and then month number. This would help us sort our month based on month number. Every month has a number. January is the first month down to December, which is the 12th month. Okay, so the next, after my date, end date period, I will pick the year. So I'll be able to sort based on year between this 2021 to 2030. That's the essence of picking a period. After that, to my year, pick the date as well. Then we'll pick the month number. This would help us sort our month with number in, and that way it would help whatever it is that would show on our dashboard appear in chronological order. So January will come before February, March, that way, instead of having everything scattered. That's the essence of using month number to sort. So I'll use the month name, pick a format that I want for the month name. Now I'm going to use the format in 3 places because I want just the first 3 letters of every month to show. I don't want my month to appear in full, but if you want yours to appear in full, you can put it there. But I want mine to show just the 3 letters. So if you want yours to appear in full, you can put 4 M's. But if it's 3, that means it's just the first 3 letters that would show. So I want my January to appear as JAN, my February as FEB, that way down to December. So for my year month format, I would still pick the same first 3 letters, right? This would help in sorting as well. That's the essence of picking year month. It helps you to sort and arrange the month in chronological order. So I'll pick the same format for that. Next, it's the quarter, and you can pick how you want your quarter to appear. If you want it to appear in full, you would write the text in full, but I want my quarter to appear as Q, so I want to have it as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I don't want it to be in full. So that's the format that I'm going to give for my quarter. Then the weekday, I would also pick the same format for my weekday. I would also pick the same format for my weekday. I want the weekdays to show just the first 3 letters. I don't want them to appear in full on my dashboard. Then I want to visualize the data. So the weekday would appear at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not in full, just MON for Monday. That is why I'm picking the first 3 letters. Okay. So that is the format that I want for my weekday. Hope you're with me. Then my weekday number. Remember, the essence of adding the month number and the weekday number is for you to sort afterwards. It is very important because everything has to appear in chronological order. They have to appear in the right order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you don't do this, you would have at the end of the day a dashboard that is not in order. Monday can come after Wednesday, Wednesday will not come after Saturday, and that is not proper. Okay, so do not forget the essence of having weekday number, month number is for you to sort afterwards, so all your dates will appear in the right order. Okay, and then because I'm in Nigeria, our calendar for weekdays starts on Sundays, not Monday Okay, it starts on Sunday, it's not Monday. So we pick the first one, which is Sunday. And here we have it. We've successfully created our date table. Okay, so here we have the week, the weekday, the month name, the month number, the year month, and the quarter. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to sort afterwards. Sort your month name using the month number, and sort your week name or weekday using the weekday number. Okay, all right, bye for now, and see you in my next video.